Start ripe. Yeah. I'm going to feel my shit right now. Yeah, man. Bird I eat it, you know? Bird I go and get a piece of banana. Yeah, man. Wonderful creature, though. Yeah, man. Wonderful creatures, people. Watch it. More bird. It's a blessing, you know? Yeah, man. It's a blessing. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so then I farm early morning, just done harvest, and I walk through the farm. I will show you what I go on the farm, because a long time we don't really see what I go on the farm. Yeah, so there I make a walk through in the morning. Yeah, man. So I show you what I go on for the plant and banana them. Yeah, man, I show you some land when I prepare to do some planting. So, yeah, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a brand new content. So, yeah, alright, to my regular viewers, please like, comment, and also share the video them, you know? Yeah, man, so there I walk through, so just forward with me. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, man, there are the plant no walk, you know? Yeah, you know, I plant no walk. I go and make a walk through. Look what soon fit. I know so I can give it a time to come back. You know it. Yeah, man. Yeah, they want to clean up your dung still. Yeah, but through the winter, they will leave them easy for dry up. Yeah, man. Tall, you know, people. Well tall, you know. Yeah. This is go on. Go on and walk through. Gonna see what I go on. Yeah, man. I have some healthy root of cocoa also, you know. And cocoa are tall on me. Yeah, man, if you're in a farm, you can shelter under them. Yeah, man, long time no see what I go on the farm. So, I'm gonna see what I go on, you know. Yeah. Somebody I walk through right there, so. See that truck there? Somebody I walk there. Yeah, man, so I have to block up that truck now. Yeah? I know. Certain truck. What thief? Yeah? Yeah, man, nice plant left on tree. Young. Yeah, man, young man. Young. So our next month we fit, you know? Yep. Show no what I go on. I may have some healthy bunches. Yeah. See that, guys? Still young, you know? Need a month also. The harvest. Yeah. Going through. Start out in the banana in the plant no walk, so. Like plant no field. Spray it down, because it kind of bush up and down. And debush it, cut off the dry bush them, and take out the unnecessary sucker them. Like the water sucker them. Watch out. People don't look here. The plant not ripe on tree. Ja. You have to cut it right now, you know. Plant not ripe on tree, my peeps. Watch them, man. Jano star is a blessing. Yeah man, you see? A summon thing for the palm tree. And ripe and nobody that trouble it. Yeah, so therefore cut that man. I know it look like something bite it still. It might look like something bite it. So I'll go and feed. Yeah, peeps. Something bite it, man. Big bunch of plant that, you know, guys. Yeah? Come on, then thing I send my daughter go to school now, my people. Yeah? Yes, me do. Send her go to school. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. We'll plant the palm tree, guys. Alright, so I'll cut that one there. Yeah, man, yeah, man, I may have just a beer also. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's why make people for plant, guys. Man for love plant. Yeah, man for love plant. Yeah. More plant the palm tree, guys. Yeah, man, so you always gotta have food to eat, you know? Always gotta have something to eat. Yeah, man. Eat there again. More planting. Yeah, so them place some more clean up them place here and spray them up. I don't know. I want to catch the spring for time the spring come back. I know say yeah, planting them ready again to fat up and you know take care of the root them like I say. So my water sucker them like this. So take out. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that on a different video. Yeah, man, I do that on a different video. Yeah. I them chunky have to cut out. Take out some of the sucker them. But normally we take out the sucker them and we cut them. So we harvest the plant them. Our banana we take out the sucker them. We need to take out. Yeah, and do some transplant also. This is our water sucker also. So it's our borer and them thing there. You know? Ants. So our next water sucker. So I will take out all of them there. But as I say, that's for our next video, peeps. Yeah, man, moving on. That's the way I tell you to say, I can't hungry. Can't hungry. Cassava. Yeah, man. Can make bami. Can boil cassava. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cassava, they not already. Ready. Yeah, man. That's a nice cassava in that place. Yeah. More cassava. Yeah, man. So enjoy planting, guys. You know, farming is fun. Alright, over here, so now. Yeah. Cleaning up the plant some melon. Yeah. Some melon, guys. Do some clean up right here, so. Wow, do some work Sunday. Yeah, man, so. What do we see what I'm going? Yeah. All them places, guys, we have a plant melon. We have the melon seed them already. Yeah, man. I saw one tin of cabbage, but I know I not see them start germinate. Like the seed are not good. Yeah? Alright. All of them places when I look on. Yeah, man, melon I put in all them places. Yes, we start fork it up. Yeah, man. Up in this now, I have a plant. Banana. I have planting up there, so. Yeah? And pineapple. Yeah, man. That's how we go on up in them places. Make sure you burn down the tree them already, kill them. Yeah, man. So yeah, I have a couple more cocoa right here. Also. Yeah, man. Nice. Then call it Joe cocoa. The purple cocoa them. Yeah, man. And We have yellow yam. Yeah, so I say I try out the yellow yam. Something eat off and leave here after this. Yeah. One more here. One more yellow yam. I try it out in the peeps. Yeah, kinda see it like it go on with that thing. There's a couple root of pineapple also. Alright, so got cheddar on, you know? Got cheddar. Ja. Oh my. And watch the people. You see that? Jaja is a blessing, man. It's a blessing, people. Watch there. Look the peeps. Look that one. Just no star. Right now, I'm going to go for machete and cut it. Yeah? I'm going to go for machete right now, my peeps, and cut it. Yeah, man. I'm going to drop off and I cut it, but wow, I don't mind. Alright, them are ripe in the peeps. I mean, man. I love it. Someone thing for the pantry and nobody not trouble it. To start ripe. Yeah. I'm going to go for machete right now. Yeah, man, bird I eat it, you know. Bird I go and get a piece of get a piece of banana. Yeah, man. Wonderful creature, though. Yeah, man. Wonderful creatures, people. Watch it. More bird is a blessing, you know. Yeah, man. It's a blessing. Yeah. Go and get a piece of banana, birdie. Alright, so as I say, I go cut the banana here. Yeah? I'll put on. After put it down. Yeah. Take the time and dry, you know. Not even know. Oh, if we cut it in the yard, then it'll drop off. Oh, broke it off. Yeah, peeps. So, banana dagon, you know. Wow. Cut the plant there when I start ripe also, you know. Yeah. Banana then drop off bird. This is how bird in I eat. Yeah, man. A beautiful thing, guys. Yeah, man. Plant and harvest, though. Yeah, man. Nice fruits in the guys. Don't they? Yeah. Why, bird then come back, you know, but you know, did they? Come on. Yeah. Well, sorry, say someone never did near me, you know. I'm gonna surely go to one hand night. Yeah. But I'll put them up for ripe. And you know. I like touch the street with them also, you know. Yeah, man. Nice, man. Yeah, natural ripe, you know. No additional thing to it. Alright, so I go and chat down here because I still don't know what the rest of the thing they are going. Yeah, man. So we have more plantain pan tree. guys. More plantain pan tree, you know. One banana across, let's see how we. Yep. One banana across, let's see how we, you know. Yeah. So as I say, guys, if I have nothing to eat, I have money to buy nothing, you know, I could even eat my ground food them. See? I have my banana and my pop chai them, you know, and my callaloo them. Yeah, so I have some pop chai right in that ear here. Yeah, so moving on, guys. Moving on. Move it, move. Alright. More banana pan tree, people. I want this soon. I want about 3 weeks to full. It's well fit, you know? Yeah, man. So, I'm going to do with them banana here. I save them for ripe them. Yeah, because I know the regular banana, them are gross material banana, them banana here. Yeah. Moving on, guys. Moving on. Alright. More banana there, so. Yeah, so another year I know I have some carrots. Yeah, man. Carrots, guys. But then, like right here, it's too cool. Then kind of have one yellowish green look. You know? Then if you have a deeper green look, like military green. Yeah. So, right in our area, it's too cool for them. So, next time I'm going to put in more, I'm going to know if I do. Yeah, man. I'll show you the difference still, because I have some more over one next side. Yeah. Alright, turmeric. I look at turmeric. Let me say, go on. Spread, you know? Yeah, man, go and spread it up. Now harvest them. Every time I harvest them, I plant them back. Because turmeric is a very expensive ginger side. It's the one they call it yellow ginger. Alright, so I have to cut the banana here too, you know, guys. Because in the kite break. Look like it all if we start ripe too. Yeah, man, look like it all we start ripe too. Oh, but they are going for a farm, guys. Farm festive. Yeah, man, farm festive, people. So remember to like, comment and share. And if you're new to the channel, I beg you subscribe, please, and thanks. Yeah, man. I want to share the video them. Alright. Yeah. Going through. A whole heap of banana and plant them having no people. Whole heap. Whole lot. Whole lot. Alright, we have some callaloo when I seed up right here, so you know. So each time I cut down them here down. We have a whole heap of callaloo for us. So yeah. Alright, the type of banana here now, guys, if you notice, tall. That one, the bunch tall. It's called Fiat. Yeah, Fiat. Yeah, man. It's not original from Jamaica. Yeah, man, this like a lab banana them. I'm not too want much of them still. I get that. This plant from my father. You know, he work on a banana farm. I get this from him. But you know, I don't too like them. Because when time them boil, they have a powdery taste. Yeah, but you know, if you have look like this and look like that on the farm. See, it's chunk fat. Yeah, man, fat man. Yeah. Okay. When you see me in my farm, planting banana and planting and that's why I can't lazy. Yeah? That's that. Alright, watch out now. Two another year, 2 years set up, people. And 2 more there, so. See? Plus we passed down this a long time, though. So we need to check it. Wow, sorry about that. Yeah man, 2 more days here, so. Plus we pass down so we will not check it. We never didn't check. Alright. Our next one there. How much that people? 5 that already, you know. Our next one there, where? But this one I try zoom it in. Yeah. See one more there. At our 6. Alright. 2 more around this, so. And one the back this just a blossom. Alright. So at a 8. Alright. Me not tell no more. Alright, so moving on, you know. What I go on for the farm. Taking up on a tour through the farm. I stop in a banana walk still, you know. Alright, we have some young planting sucker come up, so you know, we have to take out some of them and leave like this one and this one, leave the 2 biggest one them. So I'm gonna take out them 2 small one here, this one and this one. Them here no good. Yeah man, them here water sucker. Yeah. Also more for the right as of the transplant also. Yeah, my peeps, so where things are going, whole heap of work same way for me. You know? More planting through this field. Alright, so alright, you see that? Alright. But hey, I one thing, you know, people, me blessed. I am blessed. Oh yes. I am blessed and highly favor. Highly favor. Well, me have my flavor. Eh? Yeah man, alright, so in here so I want to sort out too, guys. I want to clean up in here so too. And something. I not too want to pass right so still, but you know. There you go. Me harvest some more carry the thing them. So you know. Alright, so I go stop, but it continue go up more, up to the house. Yeah? So, at least I go on. So guys, please do remember to like, comment, share and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah man, so it's a wonderful thing guys, you know. Me plant and make it get for eat. You know, I make it sell and make a money see and way and make it give it. Yeah man, so you know, more time you have to just give it some things to, you know. I can't do selfish in our life because more time we need other people to feed off the way too, you know. So you know, we have to help out people in any way we can. Yeah. Yeah man, cause see where there my phone done, I couldn't get to do no video, and you know, and I'm a nice, pretty clean supporter, I call her auntie, and give me a donation fee towards the phone, you know. So we can't too selfish in our life, guys. Yeah man, so we have to look out for each others. Yeah. So the year and that after the long time I not show no the farm, guys, you know. But not long time I not show no what really I go on the farm. Yeah. So great things I go on for the farm this year. As I said before, so I go put in some melon, which I have the seed them already, yeah. I go put in some carrots. Oh, talking about carrot, I show you the difference of the carrot them being attacked. No. But anyway, I put in some more carrot and one more vegetable I not used to do. Yeah? I saw some cabbage seed, but I don't see them germinate like they're not good. So like I will get some more. Alright? So I'll show you when I talk about the carrot them now. Yeah. Follow me. Follow me. No. I mean I follow you, you know. Alright, me I follow you guys because what me the behind the camera. So I follow you know. Alright, so that's just me. I love to have fun, you know. Yeah, man, me do some harvest this morning, so I will take them up and yeah, alright, so let me talk here, guys. These are the carrots. Alright, normally sunlight for you catch your things them. So if sunlight now catch them now go healthy. Yeah? Them now go healthy, guys. So if you see the difference, I will try splice it though. If you see the difference with the carrot leaf, yeah man, green, well green. So the other one let me show you before. Let me try put it together and make you guys see the difference. Anyway, yeah. Alright, so then if you look, guys. So I'm gonna put in some more. First I put in carrot. Yeah. And you know it's a good look. And then guys, if you don't notice, cucumber they run through the carrot. Yeah, so whenever me done harvest cucumber, carrot I go do the same way. So it's a good way, same way, it's a good ideal way for use up some space where you know small space at least. You know me clean up a small space of land. So me have to use it up wisely, so you know me put carrot and cucumber in a here and me have cucumber and pop chow same way in the rest of the year of them. Yeah, so a good way, guys, for use up the space we have. Yeah, and as I notice, it not affect none. No, like crops are not affected by any. I know, so good way. Only choose say, yeah, what if me use alright, say example callaloo. We can't plant nothing through the callaloo so easy. Yeah? Because what? The callaloo grow up and it overcrowd whatsoever under it. Yeah? So a good idea to deal with it farm that way here. Yeah man, we have some tomato seed so in this era. Yeah man, see them there? They start germinate and thing. Yeah what? Look like say and see it out some of them. Cause more than that. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Yeah, so remember say, you have to live good. Yeah man, share, care, you have to be careful, caring, shareful. Yeah? Yeah man, share with each other. As well, we always say be our brother's keeper. Yeah man, so, I know, just give me support guys. Just Sunday in my eye. Yeah man, just give me support, show some love by share the video, like, and if you're new to your channel, just click that subscribe button there, man. Cause you know subscription free. Yeah guys, so as well I always say guys, I still want to reach your watch hours. Yeah, that'll beat me bad. Yeah? That'll beat me bad guys. So you know, you just share a video, please and thanks. Yeah man. So you know, we really want to get monetized because you know when look how monetize go and make you get to do more things on the farm. Yeah? So until next time, I'm out. So I just walk good. Yeah man.